Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. Yeah, I am in Ginger. Oh, look at how clean Ginger is. Look at that interior. Unbelievable. Anyway, I'm in Ginger, and we're headed to the transmission guy. And he's a little ways away from me, and we're going to have to take like a secondary road with lights the whole way. Can't get on the highway because Ginger doesn't go into third gear. She's got to stay in second gear, so it's going to be a little bit of a trip. All right, well, it seems to be going pretty good. Got a lot of lights. There's a few long stretches between the lights where it gets up around 50 mile an hour average traffic flow, so I'm maxing out at 40. At 40, I'm doing 3,000 RPMs. I'm leaving it in second. Doesn't slip at all in second. So first and second gear, good. I tried even, coasting at 40, popping into third gear, and it just won't engage in third gear at all. So a nice slow trip. There we go. A little bit of a slow trip. A lot of lights. We'll make it. Well, we made it. A little big dummy picked me up.
Meadowbrook State Parkway North, East Meadow. Arrival time on this route is similar to Wanta State Parkway North, East Meadow.
Dropped it off at the training guy's house, who happens to be a friend of mine from when we were kids. And he's going to do it upright. I told him, I says, we're keeping this truck for the long haul, so do it the right way so that we can put another 160,000 miles on top of with 160 that's on it, because probably in the next couple of years we'll be over 300,000 in that thing for sure. So that's our transmission drop-off video. We made it, no problem. Actually, the transmission, we got the temperature gauge in the new dash, and it didn't even get to 150 degrees. Driving it in second gear, doing about 40 on average, and it was 3,000 RPMs, and it didn't even, break 150 degrees. It was about 140, 145 tops. So it worked out pretty good. That's it today from Axel's Garage. Hope you enjoyed the quick video, and we'll see you on the next one.